Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to screen share on Google Meet. So let's get started. So first all you have to do is go to Google Meet, go to this website, and over here let's create a new meeting over here. Let's start an instant meeting. Alright, so once we are in this meeting, all you have to do is on the bottom side you can see this option for present now. Just click over here, and over here you can see our screen, so you can even share your entire screen or window or your Chrome tab. So I'm just going to select entire screen and click on share. Alright, so here you can see now the screen sharing has started. So yeah, that is how you can share a screen. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.